In this video, I will show you step by step how we can remove a background noise from a video in Davinci Resolve just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So first, just open your Davinci Resolve app like this and upload your video like this. Click on your video, okay? Select your video and click over here on effects, okay? Then click over here on audio, okay? Click on audio, scroll down, double click on noise reduction, okay, like this, and select this auto speech mode, okay, like this, and here you go, your background noise will be removed from your video. It's super easy and simple. So that's how we can remove a background noise from a video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.